Back in the news this week, right? Beneficial ownership, Corporate Transparency Act. It's back. Here's what I want to tell you. If you remember, it's kind of in limbo, right? They didn't roll it out. They didn't enforce it. They didn't quash it. It's just there. They had those lawsuits. Maybe we're not going to enforce this. Let's see what happens. So, committee in the House, the Financial Services Committee approved HR 425. So now we can go to a full vote. This came in from Warren Davidson in Ohio, but 193 people of the 435 congressmen hopped on it. So it's about half. This is going to codify Treasury's removal of the CTA requirement, right? You can't really wave a wand. You're supposed to pass a law these days. FinCEN is going to delete all the information collected under the CTA. They're directed to. They can't delete stuff without being, there's data destruction policies. They can't change that unless they're told to. So they're going to be told to. So the CTA as amended will still apply to foreign beneficial owners and their entities. But that's cool. So how does this go? Think of that little guy. I'm just a bill and I'm only a bill. It's passed committee, right? So now it's going to go on to the full House. 60 senators in the Senate need to pass it. And then it'll go on to the president, who hopefully will sign it because he was not in favor of the Corporate Transparency Act. So the law required, this was an anti-money laundering initiative, and it required corporations, LLCs, similar entities, something that appeared to be or had the same characteristics as a corporation, had to disclose their identity, who owns it, who were the beneficial owners. Basically, anyone who owned 25% or more of the entity or their related parties. And then, of course, applicants, which might or might not have included the accountant or the attorney involved. Right? It got very complex. We spent a lot of time in 2023 talking about this, right? And then it didn't happen. How much you're going to charge, what software you're going to use, and then it didn't happen, right? I won't bother you with a regulatory position here, other than to say that the constitutionality of this never got affected. We just held it off. The 11th Circuit held that it was constitutional and sent it back to the district court. This is that National Small Business United case where you had to be a member of National Small Business United, and they said that this law wouldn't apply to them. But now the bill is going to codify this so that we can close the loop and be done.